Okay, continuing our test of the KG 1.2 that the customer sent us. I've already rebuilt one of the crossovers, and I have not rebuilt the other one. We're going to do a test using our spectrum analyzer here to show kind of the difference. And there's not a lot to see here, but it just gives us a little bit of an idea of what happens when we do a rebuild. And what we can see here is on the tweeter, the high frequency side, the green line is the one that's been rebuilt. The red line is the one that has not been rebuilt. And there's a very slight difference here where the green one is going to have a little bit more amplitude or a little bit more volume at the same input versus the one that's not yet rebuilt. That'll show up as some brightness in the sound a little bit that's been lost due to the caps aging. On the woofer, we can see a little bit of difference as well here too. The blue is going to be the one that is rebuilt versus the red, that's the one not rebuilt. And again, we can see that the blue line is slightly higher again. So the output has increased a little bit. We've also added a little bit more smoothness through here. There's some artifacting that we see because of a ground issue that we kind of have that we see on these pretty often. But we see a little bit of improvement here overall with the rebuild versus not rebuild. And that is part of the purpose for doing this. In another segment, we're going to show you the difference in the caps before rebuild and after rebuild to show you kind of what's causing this issue.